Hey guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com and I'm here with next question related to our Java interview prep course. So what is the question? The question is, tell us something about JIT compiler. What is this JIT compiler? JIT compiler is a just-in-time compiler. It is very important because it increases the performance of a Java program during runtime because it converts the bytecode directly into the machine understandable native code. And because of that, it increases the performance of our Java programs. Java programs run fast. So let's understand some theory about it. So the just-in-time compiler is a component of the Java runtime. So we have JDK, Java runtime also, right? So that Java runtime, JIT, is part of that, and what it does, it improves the performance of the Java applications by compiling the bytecodes to native machine code at runtime. Because it does this part, our programs runs faster. Okay, so it converts the bytecode into the native machine code at a runtime. So first thing is you write a Java program, right? And then what happens is when you write a Java program, it gets compiled and it gets converted into with the help of compiler, it gets converted into a .class bytecode. You can see here in this image, you have a .java file, and then through the compiler, the Java C compiler, it converts this file into a .class file, which we also call it as a bytecode. Then what this JIT compiler does, it is a part of your JDK. Okay, it comes with your JDK. You don't have to add it extra on top of it. It comes with that. So what does this compiler do is it picks up that .class bytecode and JIT compiler converts into this native code, and that runs faster and improves the performance of your application. And that's why your application is fast. That is what the purpose of your JIT compiler is. Okay, so Java programs, as you know, consist of classes, and that classes you have methods, attributes, etc., which contain platform neutral bytecode. So that bytecode is independent of the platform, that can be interpreted by a JVM on many different computer architectures. You know this part. You know that Java is a platform independent language because you compile the code in one machine and you can run that code in any number or any type of machines you want. It is completely platform independent. So at runtime, what happens is when JVM loads these class files, it determines the semantics of each individual bytecode, right? So it has these bytecodes that it loads and it performs the appropriate computation. This whole JIT compiler will do all that. The additional processor and memory usage during the interpretation means that your application is going to run slowly than a native application. So what does this JIT compiler does it? The JIT compiler helps improves the performance of this Java program by compiling these bytecodes into native machine code at runtime. And that is the reason it makes our program run fast. Okay, so in a nutshell, let me explain to you. So first thing is JIT compiler is part of your JDK, Java Development Kit. And what is the purpose of it is, it basically converts your .class, which is called as the bytecode, it directly converts into your native machine code during runtime. And because of this, it saves us so much of time and computation, and that's why our programs are much more faster. That is the purpose of the JIT compiler. It converts your .class, or we can say the bytecode, directly into the native code, which will save us time, and it also improves the performance. What is the JIT compiler? It is just-in-time compiler, and it is the part of your JDK, and the responsibility is it converts your bytecode directly into native machine code, which helps improve the performance and also help us run our programs faster. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. We have many more of these coming up, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you so much.